If you've ever felt like your business should be doing more with video, but you're not sure where to start or how to make it actually work, this channel is for you. I'm Megan Roberge and I run Atlanta Business Video. We help businesses and commercial real estate companies create video that actually gets used, not just produced. On this channel, I'm sharing what we're learning in real time, from client work and behind-the-scenes strategy to what's actually moving the needle right now in content. No trends for the sake of trends. I promise I will not suggest you do a TikTok dance. I mean, unless that's what your target market connects with. Just clear, practical insight on how to use video to build trust faster, clarify your message, and stay consistent without burning out. If that's something you're working toward, be sure to subscribe. And if there's something you've been stuck on with video, tell me in the comments. I may cover it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.